Currently, skinny jeans are going outdated, and people are literally hating skinny jeans to wear, and they were like, let's throw it. Oh my god, how can you wear skinny jeans? These are the reactions of everyone. And with the straight fit jeans and oversized jeans in the market, people has totally forgotten about skinny jeans and how it was famous in 2009 till 2011 in both men and women, and currently it's like, vanished, and people are literally hating skinny jeans to wear. And even if you have your old skinny jeans, you can't wear in the fear of what other people will say, and you might look bad in it, or you might not look good in it, and you are just about to throw your old skinny jeans. But let me tell you, you can save your old skinny jeans and you can still wear them now in today's era also. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Banishika. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can style your skinny jeans in different ways that can elevate your look and not make you outdated. Also, especially for petite body type, how you can style skinny jeans, or what are the do's and don'ts to follow for petite body type. Let's talk about the main do's and don'ts for petite body type to wear skinny jeans and how to style it. The shoes is very important to style the skinny jeans. What shoes are you wearing with what jeans is very important. So if you wear any chunky heels, it will not elevate the look, and also you will look more shorter. So make sure you wear or choose any kind of shoes that has closed toes, like pump heel with a kitten heel or anything. Even if it's flat, it doesn't matter, the toe should be closed toe, or you can go for box heel or pencil heel, something like that, but don't go for anything chunky heels. Another do's and don'ts are, don't go for any crop top. If you are petite, it will cut out your proportion. Another, for your hairstyle, you can always go with up toe bun or ponytail. Don't leave your hair all down, it might make you look more shorter. Try to make half bun or a full ponytail or a bun or something like that. That will elevate your look and you will not look shorter. Now let's quickly jump into how to style skinny jeans, what exact tops you should wear with your skinny jeans to elevate your look, and you gonna look mesmerizing after that. Number one is to wear a shirt over your skinny jeans. You can wear a full sleeve or a half sleeve like this, and you can not tuck in and keep it flowy like this to make a proportion, and wearing it with a pump heel will make or elevate your whole look. So if you're wearing a full sleeve shirt, then make sure you roll up your sleeves a bit and also open up your collar, so that to make a proportion of your hand and your collar, so that a part of your hand and your neck is visible to proportionate the whole look. Part 2 is putting a blazer. While I just tuck in the shirt inside the jeans and I put a blazer over it, the oversized blazer is looking elevated and it is giving me that classy formal look. And in this way, you can also style your skinny jeans. It's not necessary to wear shirt, you can wear t-shirt also inside it and put a blazer over it, but this kind of look will elevate your skinny jeans. Number 3 is wearing any flowy top over your skinny jeans. Choose any kind of top to wear which has flare at the bottom, it will elevate the whole look. So people who has a body type where you have apple or pear shaped and you have a little bit of fat around your tummy area and you don't feel comfortable wearing something fitted, don't want your tummy area to be shown, it's not comfortable, then you can wear all these kind of top over your skinny jeans that will hide your tummy area and hide the proportion, and this way you will elevate the whole look. Next up, 4th is short kurti. Short kurti goes so well over skinny jeans. It makes you that you're wearing leggings. You can skip leggings, it's not necessary to wear kurti with leggings. You can skip the leggings and wear your favorite short kurti over your skinny jeans. This is a very great fusion of ethnic and western. You can create an Indo-Western look by this. Lastly, number 5 is a basic top. Any top that is very much fitted. If you have an hourglass figure or a slim figure or any figure where your waist is smaller, you can wear anything that is fitted top. Again, don't go for crop top, I told that in previously. Try to wear any kind of fitted top that fits perfectly perfectly and tuck the top inside your jeans to make the proportion. Make sure the whole top is perfectly tucked inside the jeans. The whole look will give you a very clean look. If you're somebody who really like wearing fitted tops, you can style skinny jeans with your fitted top and it will look amazing. Just to make sure you tucked it in and wear a matching shoes with it, which is perfectly goes with skinny jeans, and voila, you are good to go. That's it guys, that's the end of today's video. These are the basic tops that will go for you styling your skinny jeans. If you know correctly how to style according to your body type, skinny jeans can never go outdated. You can never hate skinny jeans. You just need to know how to style it. These are the basic ideas that I have given you, how you can style your skinny jeans, what to wear and what not to wear, and also some do's and don'ts. Make sure you follow these to look elegant and prominent your look. I will bring up more jeans ideas, how you can style even white leg jeans, flare jeans or straight fit jeans. For that you need to keep on watching my video, you need to keep on following me. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss on any other new videos. If you're confused that what body type you are and how to dress according to your body type, then there is a playlist where each and every body type I have described, even to how to calculate your own body type I have described that. It will come up after this video, you can click and watch that. Till then, stay happy, stay fashionable. I will see you in my next video.